What's going on, everybody? Rob here, aka Trev2323. Today we're going to be going over this Mophie. This is a battery charger, just like this battery charger. You know I'm a lithium ionaholic. So this one right here still says 100% full charge, and I could charge 3 devices at the same time with this. This one has a USBC input only, They all have their little flashlights if you hold it or whatever. Let me see if I get the flashlight on. I don't even know where a flashlight would be. But normally if you hold it, the flashlight will go on. I have no idea where the flashlight is on this one. Okay, so let me not even talk about the flashlight on this one. Either way, I bought this last Prime Day deal. The last Prime Day deal, I bought this. And this does maybe 2.5 phone charges. 2.5 phone charges. And I was looking for something that offered a little bit more. So on my reviews, I came up with this Mophie. It got it got a mistypo. It says up to 4-hour full phone charges. It shouldn't say hour because it's up to 4 full phone charges. Now the newer smartphones take more power. Before the older phones, before these phones came out, the new, that's a Samsung S22 Ultra I'm recording on. It used to be able to recharge a lot more, but now smartphones use a lot of juice, a lot of power. The one thing that got me with this one, 2 things got me with this Mophie, okay? One, that it has 4 full phone charges for a smartphone. And the other thing that got me is that it got a fast charge. So, let me take that right here. So this is the block. This is how thick it is. See how thick the block is? I mean, it's bigger than, so I would venture to say there's double batteries in here because it's thicker. It's almost twice the size of a regular one. You see how thick that is? And then this one only has 2 charging ports, but in all actuality, there's 3 charging ports. See, this is 3 USB charging ports, and the middle one, this little one, is to charge it. Okay, now this one right here is a USB charger. This is how you charge the battery. You put your USB-C into here, and you plug it in to charge the battery. But also, these are chargers also. Let me see if I can find out how much amp charger these are. But this is a 20-watt fast charger right here. So if you plug into here, it's a 20-watt fast charger. I don't see any power indicator, so let me see. Press the button right here. There's a button on the side that you could barely see. Let me see if I hold it in. Why would they have not sent it charged? Okay, I'm not getting any action or reaction from this right now. So I'm going to go ahead and have to charge it up so we can see what... Revisit this Mophie. Mophie. I called it a Mophie. It's a Mophie. I had to come back and revisit it because, for one, I didn't think I could get it on. The power button's on the side. It says it's fully charged now. You see, it's on. It says it's fully charged, but that light does not. I mean, that they don't want to waste any power. That doesn't stay on long. But if I plug it into the charger, it'll say that the top cell's not all the way charged. But the green one is a fast charger, so it gives you 20 watts to charge your phone. 20 watts to charge your phone, and then this is the same way to charge it. You put your USB-C. And actually, I used a fast charger, I think a 10-watt charger that I plugged this into the outlet to charge. But here's why I didn't think it worked. Because when you press the button and it lights up, that only stays on for 20 seconds. You know, like other batteries you charge, they stay blinking to the next one's done, or whatever. They'll turn from red to green. No, this one right here, you press that lights up for 20 seconds, and then it's off. It's like you set it and forget it. And then just when you're ready to go, it'll charge a smartphone 4 times. 4 times. So I don't find any information though to see how much amp this right here is. But if you have 3 devices plugged in, 3 devices right here, it's using 15 watts, and this is no longer a fast charger. It splits up 15 watts amongst these. So it still is a fast charger compared to a lot of the older stuff that we had a 5-watt charger or a 10-watt charger. Those ones you put your phone on or whatever, some of those are 10-watt chargers. So it's a this is a super fast charger. 30 minutes, you get half your phone charged right here. But if everybody in the van or vehicle is using it, or in the park is using it in the party, you will charge everybody's phone. They will be able to stay on and connected, but it'll take longer to charge. All right, this is a Mophie, MOPHIE. The unboxing, and if you're wondering why those lights don't stay on, they only light up for 20 seconds, then they shut off even when it's charging. I mean, it went up when I got it on 2, it's on 3, it says 4 all the way now, but it's been charging for probably about 3 hours. All right, talk to you later. Subscribe, like, and share. Like I said, this is, I mean, massive. This is the Mophie XL power station. So this is like double what this could do. Truthfully, they feel almost the same weight though. All right, talk to you later. Subscribe, like, and share.